The string buffer class provides three constructors. First, let us see their functionalities. What is the difference among them? Let us see, and thereafter we apply the constructors in a demo and see their functionalities. Now, the first one is this string buffer. That means no arguments are given. So, example string buffer SB new string buffer, like this we write. So, how much space is created, that is the question. So, in such case we are not providing any size for that. In such case the default size is 16 characters. So, 16 with 16 character capacity, the one string buffer object is created. The default capacity, if you do not talk about the capacity, that is 16, that you have to remember. Okay. Some case this is, you know how much you require, how much capacity you require for your string buffer string. In such case you can specify that. Now, the variation is see string buffer into size, you have to specify how much capacity you require for your string buffer. Now, we see example string buffer SB new string buffer 50. That means you are expecting the capacity of 50 characters for your string buffer object. Okay. Third one, you provide a string directly, that means your string is clear, and then you provide it. Then in such case, now this example you see, we provided Java. Java means only 4 characters are required plus 16, 4 plus 16, totally 20 characters are provided. So, default capacity 16 it is provided, if you ask or do not ask, and if you specify any capacity specifically, then that much capacity is provided. Suppose if you provide a string, the length of the string and plus another 16, that is provided. And once again I am telling you the difference between capacity and length. Capacity means how many characters it can hold, maximum number of characters a string buffer object can hold is the capacity. Length means how many characters are there in the string buffer string. Actual string, the length of the actual string is the length, that the difference you have to identify. Suppose you have a bag, the bag's capacity is 10 kgs, 10 kgs rice you can fill in the bag, but actually there are 5 kgs. So, actual size is 5, capacity is 10, that means another 5 kgs you can fill. In that manner you have to understand, and through this demo, this is 8.11 demo program, you can understand its functionality and understand it clearly and register in your brain. For knowing the length and capacity, two methods are provided. String also provides the length method. Here also string buffer also provides the length method. These are instance methods. Now, you see the three constructors we have written: string buffer A, new string buffer, no arguments are given. That means it is a string buffer object is created with the 16 characters capacity. Okay. Second one, B, string buffer B, string buffer 25, that means with a capacity of 25, this is the integer argument, and a capacity of 25 characters, string B is created. And C, as far as C is concerned, now Java all clear, one string I put. It may be, it need not be a single word string, it may be multiple word string also. Then 4 plus 8 plus blank space 13. Whenever you are counting, then you have to take into consideration of punctuation mark, blank space, everything. So, its capacity is 13. So, how much capacity is created? 13 plus 16. 29 capacity is created. Okay. In this manner you choose the right option. If you do not know, what would be the capacity, then just you define this. If you specifically know the string length never be exceeded this much size means you mention this, or otherwise also if you talk about, you think of a string object, that only give, and additionally it provides another 16, and whenever the length becomes more than the capacity, automatically it is increases, then you need not worry about that. It is a mutable string. Now let us apply instance methods length and capacity. Now you see a dot length, a dot capacity, first one I am talking about. Length, because we did not initialize it, that is why length is 0, and default size is 16 as far as A is concerned. Next you take B. Now B's length is 0. Actually what we did, we made 25. Actually we did not fill any string in that, that is why length is 0 and capacity is 25, because we explicitly specify the size is 25. Third one, Java all clear we have given, Java all clear including blank space 13 characters. So length is 13 characters and the capacity is 13 plus 16, 29. In this manner you have to understand. And one more thing you must understand, here because of the limitation of space and all that, I am writing only core code, not every bit of code. That is why again and again I am telling you, if we have this hard copy, you download the hard copy while watching the lectures, look at it with the reference to this you study, then you can focus on each and every element of the code. Otherwise thereafter if you simply depend on that then you may miss something. That is why if you want to master at one shot, then this is the procedure, whatever, not only following my lectures, following my advice also, in order to reap the maximum benefit out of this system.